In the previous video, I showed you how to link your PayPal account to M-Pesa. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to M-Pesa. So I'll need to click on, I'm still where I left, so I'll just need to click on Start Using the Service for me to start accessing my money. So this is what I need to do. There are a couple of options that you get. You'll either get an option to withdraw from PayPal or to top up to PayPal. So for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from your PayPal account. So I'll just click on withdraw from PayPal. And as I mentioned, these transactions take somewhere between 2 hours to something like 72 hours, depending on when you withdraw the amount, how much the money is. And for this tutorial, I have about $81 in my account. So I'll probably transact maybe a transaction of about $60, 60 USD, and the amount is in US dollars. It's written that you please enter the amount you would like to withdraw from your PayPal account. So I'll just click on continue to withdraw. So they give me an exchange rate, and this new page wants me to verify the withdrawal. Now, amount debited from your PayPal account is 60 USD. Amount to be received on your M-Pesa is 5,875 shillings. So we are at an exchange rate of $1 at 97 shillings. So all I need to do here is just click on confirm, and in 2 hours my transaction will be processed. It's 8:15 a.m. and by 10:15 a.m. to the minute I should get at least 5,000 and something in my account. And Safaricom has sent me a message saying your withdrawal of $60 from your PayPal is being processed. You should receive shillings 5,875 in your M-Pesa in 2 hours. And the PayPal mobile money website also confirms this. You receive an SMS confirmation once the fund reach your M-Pesa. You can check the status of the transaction from the history page, and it's important to at least you can always see what you've been doing and what kind of transactions that you're doing. Withdraw to M-Pesa, and the ID, and it's pending, and it's $60. So I'll just wait for the transaction to complete. And but simply what I wanted to show you, it's that simple, it's that easy to withdraw from PayPal to M-Pesa. I feel that this service has come at the right time, where the whole world is probably accepting mobile payments, bitcoins, and all those things. But for M-Pesa to be accepted by PayPal, it is a step in the right direction. We've also seen M-Pesa being accepted in the Google Play Store, and which is showing advancements in all these fields. Now, for M-Pesa to give us the option to withdraw from PayPal directly without using intermediaries or without waiting for the only bank that is allowed in Kenya, Equity, for 3 to 5 business days, I think that's a step in the right direction. And also the ability to have the top up to PayPal directly from your M-Pesa. So if you wanted to make a purchase online, maybe to pay your domain names, to pay subscriptions, to buy books or anything that you wanted to do, you can always top up your PayPal account from M-Pesa. And I'll show you some other time on how you can top up your PayPal account from M-Pesa using a paybill number. Please note that you will also receive a message from PayPal showing that you've authorized the payment to transfer to Mobile Financial Services Limited. So if you click on the transaction, PayPal clearly indicates, hi David, you've authorized this payment, and the support email. Your funds will be transferred when the merchant processes your payment. Any amount in your PayPal account at the time will be used before any other source. Thanks for using PayPal. For future transaction details, log into your PayPal account. It's good that you always get a confirmation email showing you that you made a transaction. You can always know that yes, everything has gone according to plan. Now, considering that it's been over 2 hours, it's been just slightly 4 minutes past the time I did the transaction, which is I did the transaction at 8:15 a.m. and I should have my money. I should have had my money by 10:19 a.m., which happened. So what I need to do is I just need to refresh. Do a quick refresh of this. Is there anything to refresh? View, refresh. Let me just refresh this. And considering we did a transaction at around 8:15, so we go to Safaricom transaction, and the code is here. Has added 5,875 to M-Pesa on your PayPal account XYZ. You received this amount, and if you look at the time, it's 8:15 a.m. when I did the time I did the transaction was at 8:15 a.m. The time I received the amount is about at 10:16 a.m., which is almost exactly to the dot, 2 hours to the dot, as the head had said in their message here. So that's it, and this is also confirmed on the M-Pesa. You received X amount from Safaricom International Money Transfer, 295028, which I think is a paybill number or something, and the new balance that you have in your account. So as they've put it, the transaction was completed in about 2 hours, and personally I think this is the best thing that has ever happened. Now you know that you can actually time your transaction and know, if I'm doing X transaction, this amount, it will be in my M-Pesa account in about 24 hours, 2 hours, depending on the amount. Also note that when you make your transactions on a weekday, so that at least the business days are there, and ensure that there's no public holiday in between. Also, to ensure that you probably get your money, you can do small transactions of $100 and less if you wanted probably to get an X amount. So you can do $100 after 10 minutes, $100, or even after a minute, $100, just to make sure at least that you almost get the whole amount that you wanted to withdraw in the stipulated time. I think PayPal to M-Pesa is going to do a great job, and I also hope that they see this video and also understand that we need the transactions to be instantaneous, or just under 30 or 10 minutes. That will suffice. So thank you for watching this video, and until next time, never stop learning. Bye.